completely far from my surroundings.
Stop those faces though.
Take over me, over every rushing
Puppy. I have puppy too.
Oh, this could be my last chance. Sail on with me, up here we know we're safe from the crashing wind. And talk to me, fill my lungs with the air your heart is breathing. If only for a moment. Oh, this could be my last chance. And hold me in the grip of your arms, far from where I know, or to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance. I see you're on to me, and there's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further than the stones appear, the lines are
Like my chipmunk
oh,
voice.
this could be my last chance.
That's probably true.
And hold me in the grip of your arms, far from where I know, or to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Content? Content?
We've been shooting a wedding for
A lot of hours. You can't.
9.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you
And then we eat Cheetos and drink vitamin C.
slow dance on the New York City
I'm gonna hike up the Coronado Heights because doing a collaboration with Steeped Coffee, which is like tea bags for coffee, and it's amazing, and it's like nitro sealed, and all the packaging's biodegradable. It's ridiculously amazing. Anyway, shout out to Black Rendezvous, who I get to partner with to do this, and yeah, it's gonna be super fun.
something I won't lose. You are a part of me.
Oh.
I swear you'll always be a part of me.
This is impossible. Joel, what do you think? Come on, you can't talk. Joel, come on.
You don't laugh! No!
Stop!
Something in you feels like myself.
Pizza time! He left it! Dude, you left your pizza!
Dude, come back and get your pizza.
Get your pizza, boy!
Ma'am, opened up my door. And it was in my way.
What did you do to your door?
Nothing. I just bonked it. I'm making fun.
You bonked it. Proof. Proof for later. Obsessive windshield washing. Ma'am.